Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Cache in King Legacy. Kraken Cache is a legendary and untradeable material, vital for advanced gameplay. You acquire it by defeating the formidable Kraken boss, a challenging sea creature. This unique item is absolutely necessary for players to unlock and enter the game's third sea, marking a significant progression point. Furthermore, it plays a key role in awakening the powerful saber sword, enhancing its abilities. To obtain Kraken Cache, you must first summon its guardian, the Kraken boss. This process begins by crafting a special item called the Heart of Sea. You'll need to gather several materials: 50 wood logs, 10 fresh fish, 10 piles of bones, 15 sea king's blood, and 10 angelic feathers. Once you have these, visit Jack Stones on Fior Island to craft your Heart of Sea, preparing you for the epic battle ahead. With the Heart of Sea in hand, navigate to the mysterious Altar Island. There, locate the altar situated behind the squid NPC and interact with it to summon the Kraken. Be prepared for a challenging fight. The Kraken boss consists of multiple tentacles, each possessing approximately 50,000 health. The total health for all tentacles combined is around 500,000. You will have a strict time limit of 6 minutes to defeat this powerful foe. Acquiring Kraken Cache offers significant advantages in King Legacy. Its primary use is to grant you access to the third sea, opening up new areas and challenges. Additionally, this legendary material is indispensable for awakening your saber sword, greatly enhancing its power. Successfully defeating the Kraken boss also earns you the prestigious Kraken Challenger title. For an effective strategy, concentrate your attacks on one tentacle at a time to quickly deplete its health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.